Welcome to English with the Bexleys.
Hi, Mommy. What are you doing?
I'm making meatballs, honey.
Can I help you?
Of course, Timi. You are a great helper. Can you give me an egg?
Mom, I can make the salad.
Thank you, honey.
Here's the egg.
Thank you. You are my hero. Can you add some black pepper?
I am adding the pepper now.
And some salt?
Okay.
Okay, that's enough.
I need the charcoal for barbecue. Where is it?
I'm washing the lettuce, cucumbers, and tomatoes.
Let's put some charcoal in the barbecue. Kindling. I need some kindling to start the fire. Okay, let's light it. There we go.
I am cutting the vegetables.
Don't forget the olive oil and lemon.
I know, Mom. The salad is my job.
Look, Mommy. This is my meatball. It is as small as me.
Oh, it's a tiny Timi meatball. Put it on the tray, my little chef.
I'm adding olive oil and lemon. That's it. Salad is ready.
Daddy, don't forget my sausages.
I won't, Timi. Be careful, Timi.
Okay, Daddy.
Mark is here. Hi, John. Good to see you. Good to see you too. Come in. Hi, Mary. This is my wife, Sarah.
Hello, nice to meet you. Hi, Mark. Hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you. Welcome. This is a small gift for you.
Oh, thank you.
Please sit down.
Would you like a drink? We have red wine, soda, and orange juice. Soda for me, please. With a slice of lemon. Sure. And you, Mark?
Red wine, please.
Of course.
The sausages and meatballs are almost ready.
Your home is very nice. Thank you so much.
The barbecue is ready. That sounds good. I'm really hungry. I have steak, meatballs, and sausages. Mark, how do you like your steak? I like it rare, please. One rare steak. And you, Sarah?
Well done for me, please. I don't like any pink.
Coming right up. Well done.
I'll have mine medium. I like it juicy.
Here it is, medium.
I'll eat sausages. Yay!
Dad, I don't want steak. Can I have meatballs?
Sure, honey. Here you are. Delicious.
Buddy wants some food, too.
You can give him a piece of sausage. Put it in his bowl.
Come here, buddy.
So, what do you do? I'm a teacher. and John is a doctor.
Oh, really? What do you teach?
I teach English.
That's wonderful. And you? What's your job, Sarah? I'm an accountant. I work in an office.
Look! My tiny meatball! I made it!
Wow, Timi, it looks delicious. Will you be a chef?
No! I don't want to be a chef. I want to be an astronaut. I want to go to the moon!
That's a great dream. What's your dream? Or what do you do? Pause the video and write in comments.
Everything is perfect. Thank you for the delicious food.
Yes, it is a beautiful night. Cheers to a great night.
Cheers!
Do you have a headache or a fever? Next episode is at the hospital. Subscribe and don't miss it.